What's up, y'all?
Hey, y'all.
That girl want to be in the video so bad. She ain't supposed to be in the video. And then took my shoe. So as y'all know, they got a restocking of things. I told y'all they was gonna restock. But this a big size. I got my size in Charlotte right now. Let y'all see that thing. This little girl right here aggravated. Open the box.
Don't do that.
No, she not. She know better. That motherfucker look like a tugboat. I'm making a little bit of money off of it. So. Also, I'm gonna be on the look for those Travis Scott Reese's Puff cereal. I went to a Walmart last night. They were sold out. So I'm gonna go to a couple more to see what they got. So I just walked into Walmart. I'm on the cereal aisle, and yep, there it is. Travis Scott Reese's Puff. I don't even know how many I need to buy. I mean, I need to buy about 5 or 6. So yeah, I'm about to call Dom to see how much they worth for $3 and probably about $20 a box. I probably need to get about what? Probably need to get about 10 boxes. I know people looking at me like this motherfucker is crazy, but $20 a box, a box, not just a couple boxes, but a box. Like, that's a come up. I just want to know, does this make me a hype beast? I mean, I see people selling for $20 a pop, so with $20 a pop, that's a good little come up for some $3 cereal. But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Especially since I ain't go to SneakerCon DC. I feel like this is a good little come up, even though I could have found these anywhere. But I'm about to give y'all a crazy thumbnail. And I found the ones earlier, so we about to find out. All right, y'all, so I just got the Travis's. My cousin called me and said his foot action got a restock in the Obsidian ones too. So I'm about to fly over to the other side of town where he work at in Columbia. So, hey man, we out here. Like, I'm still cooking Obsidian ones. That size 15 for my homeboy that play football. So that size 15 already accounted for, but we about to see what sizes they got over here. This mom so dead.
Tell my happy birthday, Barney.
What's up, man?
Yes, sir.
My boy. Bruh, that's wild. That is wild. It's the only size y'all had? Bruh, I appreciate it. So you guys already got a glance of what I've copped already. Went to foot action, and I picked up a money size. Now, my homeboy, one of my old managers hit me up. He was like, bro, just check your stores. So, y'all see this size 8? He was like, check your stores. And I told y'all these things was gonna possibly restock. They weren't limited as everybody thought they were gonna be. But size 8, this is one of the money sizes. I'm about to go sell these as quickly as possible. I know everybody want to talk about StockX prices, but I'm charging GOAT prices. Like, if it's in person, hey, that's all I gotta say. Don't hit me with no StockX, all right? But I'm not gonna go in details about the sneaker. Y'all saw what I already did with them with other videos, so I'm just gonna vlog this for y'all. Let y'all know, let y'all see that there were restocks. It was a limited the restock was limited. That's all I'm saying. The restock was limited. Like, certain stores only got like 4 or 5 pairs. And like y'all saw, my cousin hit me up and he was just like, bro, come on and get your size. Get whatever size you need. So I'm like, if y'all got an 8, let me get an 8. Anything between 8 and a 9.5. Those are your money sizes when it comes to the ones. Remember that. All right. So I got a size 8 for sale. I might sit on this, no homo. And I got a 15 for one of my boys that play football. So he asked me to get him a pair while they was at camp. But I don't know, man. He hit me up. He cash at me and everything like that. Now this mug definitely look like a tugboat, a size 15. And he said he was gonna give me about $250. I told him he had to give me $250, but he said he gonna give me $250 for these things. But, so I gotta keep this, well, I gotta ship it off to him. This mug long, boy. But he's 6'8", so I can see that. 6'8", US size 15. Alright. And now for the grail. What is up with these just somebody tell me what's up with Travis Scott Reese's Puff. Now I'm gonna keep 2 boxes. I'm gonna try to go out and look for some more. I'm gonna go to Walmart and everything. But what's up with these boxes, man? Is it the Travis Scott hype? Is it the Travis Scott hype or what? Like, the dog baby looked like Cynthia from Rugrats. If y'all don't remember Cynthia from Rugrats, she had the hair up here, hair up here, hair over here. That's what it looked like. But I cleaned the shelf, and like I said, I'm gonna go somewhere else and try to clean the shelf too. But we about to blast off the Soul Station 704 so I can go ahead and get these things off. So y'all, let's get ready to roll out. Roll out.
Well, Goat's walking in here vlogging with his camera out, so let me
Vlogging.
get you back.
Who is that?
Chris.
Got some cookies.
This goober right here, you know that dude?
Who is that?
He working Foot Locker. Y'all know each other? You don't know him?
We don't work at the same Foot Locker.
Oh, I know. He don't work at Foot Locker, but I figured.
Oh, Foot Action.
He said what Foot Locker you work at?
House of Hoops.
He said House of Hoops in South Park.
Oh, look
No.
at these guys. So y'all don't need no more. Everybody in DC, y'all don't need no more.
What's in that other box?
Size 8.
What, a city?
Mm-hmm.
You got a size 8 city in that bag too. He said, Chris said, how much you want for it?
So I just got back to the crib, man. The boys apparently are still in DC. They on their way back. So I just hit them up, DM like, hey, I got this size 8. You know, they can go to the highest bidder. But I ain't even asked about the Travis Scott cereal. I'm pretty sure they'll buy that too. I'm gonna try to find somebody else to buy those boxes. I kept 2, so I'm probably gonna take those to SneakerCon Atlanta, especially since I miss SneakerCon DC, man. But y'all let me know in the comment section below whether or not those Obsidian ones restocked in your city, your mall. Y'all just let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know if you were successful on hitting on your pairs. All right. But it's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. Sending y'all love, peace. Put some chicken grease on that thing, baby. Out of here.